What's going on, everybody? Today we're getting creative with patches. So step one is to acquire the patches, but you don't want to just buy any patch. Think about any movies, TV shows, hobby, whatever you're into, and guarantee there's a patch for it somewhere out there. You can go on eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. For me, I like space, I like sci-fi, so I have things from the 100, Stargate, even The Walking Dead, got Batman, NASA for space. Basically anything you're into, you're guaranteed to find it. So that'll be step one. So for step two, you want to buy the patches in a material that's going to be practical and easy for you to make. Most of them are going to come with iron-on backing, but you can also get them in Velcro or where you have to sew them on. So whatever is easiest for you, whatever you think you'd like best, just go with that. After all, you want it to be fun and you want it to be quick, you want it to be easy. So step three is the fun part. You can place the patches wherever you like. Maybe you want to put it on an old pair of jeans, skirt, top, sweats, something maybe you were going to throw away, but now you can find a way to resalvage it. For me, I also do themes, so I have like a NASA shirt, a Mass Effect shirt, SG-1. Again, it's creating something that you feel good wearing because you made it and you created something yourself. The idea is to have fun with it, especially during these times. It's good to find something creative to do, to keep our mind off of what's going on in the world, but to also make ourselves happy. So I hope you guys are staying healthy, be well, and I'll see you soon.